So this is my hair when it's frizzy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a tutorial on how to reduce frizz with curly hair. I think anyone who has curly hair has this issue. I mean, it's literally my #1 problem when it comes to my hair and the most annoying thing. So if you want to see how I reduce frizz with my curly hair, then keep on watching. Be sure to check out all of my social media, which is down below in the description box, and be sure to subscribe. All I did was take a shower and wet my hair, brush it out, and let it air dry, and as you can see, my hair is extremely frizzy. Look at this. It's so frizzy. It's really bad. I don't use a lot of products. First things first, I'm gonna wet my hair again. I'm just gonna brush it out using my Revlon hairbrush. Okay. So now I'm gonna split my hair into like 4 sections. I'm just gonna put it half up, half down right now and clip the top. Looking all ratchet. And then I'm just gonna split the bottom half into 2 sections. These 2 sections are the most annoying. They're the most curliest. Or they're the curliest. So I'm just gonna brush it out. And then I'm going to be using the Tresemme Anti-breakage conditioner with vitamin B12 and gelatin. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's this one right here. I really like this conditioner. I like how it smells. It's very affordable. I'm just gonna put some product in and brush it through with my fingers. I'm gonna put a lot of products because it gets really curly under here. So I kind of want it to weigh it down a little so it's not as curly. And we'll just do the other side. As well. And then I'm just gonna let it sit, and I'm not gonna touch it or play with it. Look how curly it already is. Just gonna let it chillax. Now I'm gonna split the top into 2 sections. Brush it out. Yikes, I should actually split this. Split this into 2 sections. Clip this up her. Apply some water because it's dry. Get some conditioner. I've honestly been leaving conditioner in my hair for years, even if it's not a leave-in conditioner. And I haven't had any issues. Let that sit. Moving to the next portion, just doing the same technique. Okay, so I did the other side as well. Now I'm gonna take my 100% cotton shirt, because it's supposed to eliminate frizz if it's 100% cotton. If you can't find one that's 100% cotton, maybe try to go for like 95 or whatnot, but the more cotton in the shirt, the better for your hair to eliminate frizz. From my understanding, towels make your hair really frizzy when you use them, so that's why I now dry my hair with a cotton t-shirt. So just gonna put it in the shirt like you would a towel and just let it dry for a little bit, and then let it take it out and let it air dry. I look weird. In the meantime, let's like not do this. Okay, I look like an elf. In the meantime, I'm going to make these baby hairs popping. So I'm taking my favorite gel of all time, and I've used a lot of different gels throughout my life, but I would have to say the EcoStyler Professional Styling Gel with olive oil max hold 10 is my favorite. It's good for moisturizing hair and scalp. It tames frizz, no flake, no tack, anti-itch, and UV protection, and it's alcohol free. It's my fave. So taking a just toothbrush that I had, putting some gel, I'm just gonna get my baby hairs popping. I feel weird if no baby hair showing. I just feel really basic. I don't know, just a really game changer when your baby hairs is popping, as you can already tell. Yes, girl. Since it wasn't that wet, I'm gonna just take it out now. You can see the curls, and I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then I will show you guys the finishing result. So stay tuned. Here is the ending result. As you can see, there is a huge difference. There's a huge difference when it comes to frizz. It is way less frizzier and more manageable. All I did was let it air dry after I applied all the product in it. Certain parts are a little crunchy, so if you don't like your hair crunchy, I wouldn't recommend using the Tresemme conditioner, but it's not that bad. It's just a little crunchy, just a little. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any recommendations or anything that you would like to see in future videos, please be sure to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.